It is bedtime and you guys are crooked. Ooh. It's bedtime, but I wanted to come show you guys how I stretch my mini twist, which is usually a nightly ritual for me. So let's get started. So to stretch your mini twist, you're gonna need some bobby pins, a scarf, and like a bonnet or whatever you're gonna put it on to go to sleep. So if you saw my tutorial, you know that this set of mini twists have these like boho pieces coming out of them. I still don't know how I feel, so I'm not gonna do anything special to these. This is just, yeah, I'm not gonna do anything to them at night. In the morning, if you guys wanna see like a morning routine with mini twists, let me know. That's been a whole new thing, especially with these little pieces sticking out. I oiled my scalp yesterday, so I'm not gonna repeat that, but I do wanna do some of my Sunday to Sunday root refresh because I did work out today. So I always like to hit my scalp with this. All right. All right, so depending on where your part is, you want to start wrapping your hair. So that's what we're essentially doing, or wrapping our hair like the relaxer days. So as you can see, my hair likes to fall on this side, which is fine with me because I kind of like this as my part. And I can't wait to stretch my hair because as you can see, these layers and this hair texture is like flatter and longer than the front. The top is very like more curly and whatnot. So yeah, so because I like my hair flipped this way, I actually wrap my hair going this way, and this just helps in the morning when I undo it and I flip it like this. There's gonna be more volume. So we're gonna flip and ignore our part, and we're just gonna grab a section of hair and kind of pull it tautly and start pinning. Now, I feel like you don't need a lot of bobby pins for this, but if you're just starting out and you're still like learning your hair and how the mini twists work, then maybe you do. But I've done this with like a couple bobby pins. Sometimes I only do certain sections, but it all works out. So here we go. I'm gonna grab this tautly and lay it down. Now, not too tight to cause damage. Why is my wrist cracking? I'm just crack popping and snapping. So there we go. There's something very satisfying about this, and I just don't know what it is. Now you can't forget this section down here, so you wanna keep pulling and smoothing that over. If some parts fall, like this one, it's fine. That's what the next step is gonna do. It's gonna help us save that. Then you wanna grab back here and start pinning up here. If you wanna go back and get the scragglers, that's okay too. So if you wanna go back. But this next step will kind of save you from all that. It literally took me less than 5 minutes. I know it looks crazy, but this next step is really gonna be helpful. So you want to take a scarf, you want to put it on the back of your head. This is literally like the relaxer days, I swear. You want to just tie it up. And then while it's like this, you kind of want to shift it. Literally like the relaxer days, you guys. Just kind of shift it so everything's getting smooth. I kind of do that, and I kind of tie it in the back. I'm sorry, I tied it in the front. Well, I put the knot in the front. Tie it in the back, put the knot in the front. So I do have some stragglers, but don't worry, don't stress them. You can either take a bobby pin and pin them again, like on the outside of your scarf, I promise you this is like me being very particular because usually. But anyway, so here's how we're looking. All right, so from here you can either choose to put on a bonnet, or I kind of wanted to try this like cap. My Grace, how do you say that last name? Alay cap, and it has like the silk on the inside and everything. Love this cap. I've had this cap for literally over 5 years. I know it. I wanted to try this tonight because sometimes when my hair is like this, my jumbo bonnet falls off. So I figured something more compressing. And we go to sleep, y'all. Literally, like, this is how we go to sleep. So I'm gonna come back in the morning and take this down for you guys to show you how it looks. And that's really how simple it is. So I'll catch you guys in the morning.